My name is Jason Moss, and I'm the founder of the Georgia Manufacturing Expo and Networking MFG, which is a networking organization that's about 5 years old that's designed specifically to help support Georgia manufacturers, machine shops, engineers, and designers. To give you a little bit of background about Networking MFG and the Georgia Manufacturing Expo, I'll take you back about 5 years ago. I was in software sales and sold engineering software to manufacturing companies. And I fell in love with business-to-business networking because that's a fun way to build a business, because you're able to build some really good relationships. And I found that there was really not an opportunity for manufacturers to get together and network and be able to pass business. There's several other professional organizations out, like Society of Manufacturing Engineers and the Chamber of Commerce and that sort of thing, but nothing designed specifically to help connect manufacturers with engineers, designers, and machine shops. So I formed an organization called Networking MFG. We've had some great success. We've been able to keep a lot of business in Georgia that was either going out of state or out of country, that now we're able to keep in Georgia because we're making those relationships and those contacts. The Georgia Manufacturing Expo is a really fun event. We are working with some of the best manufacturing companies and companies that want to support manufacturing in the state. The reason that an exhibitor would want to come show their products, or a vendor would want to come show their products at this expo, is because the Buy American movement is really big. Consumers are wanting to buy locally manufactured goods so that they can support their local economy, and they understand that every time they buy something local, it supports local job growth. And it's a challenge for them to identify and find these products. That's why the expo is here. It allows consumers, both individual consumers and businesses, to be able to find and source products that they use every day that are made right here in our backyard. It's really, people find it really surprising to find out all the different things that we make right here in Georgia.
And it really is an important vehicle for promoting the manufacturing sector in the state of Georgia. It's a great opportunity to make Georgia one of the leading manufacturing states in the country, and I hope every manufacturing plant in the state will take advantage of this opportunity to promote their products to Georgia consumers and to support the movement of buying Georgia manufactured products.
I think anybody in manufacturing should attend next year's Georgia Manufacturing event. We got a lot of leads from the event ourselves. MLC CAD Systems provides a suite of software products that engineers and manufacturers use to design better products. And I would like to just recommend for anyone who's looking for new leads to grow their business to attend the Georgia Manufacturing Expo next year.
Because this state has got a tremendous opportunity coming up here in a couple of years with the opening of the new construction of Panama Canal and the ships going into Savannah and coming up through Georgia. So Georgia manufacturers have a tremendous opportunity. And this organization can reach out to a lot of people that are manufactured not only to sell here in the United States, but export.
Several organizations were involved last year in the kickoff event for the Georgia Manufacturing Expo. The Society of Manufacturing Engineers, APEX, several local colleges were involved, and this year we're real excited to have as our charitable partner First Robotics that we're going to support the First Robotics at a state level, and also DECA this year is going to get a contribution from the proceeds of the event will be donated to both of those organizations to help support the cause in high school students, and get them involved both in marketing and also get them involved in robotics and manufacturing in Georgia. We've got to work really hard to get our next generation involved in manufacturing, because there's a huge need for some positions to be filled, and a lot of employers are having a hard time finding qualified candidates to fill those positions in Georgia. So this is to get our next generation involved and introduced to manufacturing in a different way that they'll get excited about. So as a manufacturer, what should you do next? It's a real simple process. We have everything set up so that you go directly online and you process your order. You go to GeorgiaManufacturingExpo.com and click either Get a Booth or Become a Sponsor. If you're interested in sponsoring a year-round sponsorship, contact me directly, Jason Moss, at Georgia Manufacturing Expo. My information and phone numbers are on the website. Take a look at that. There's a great sponsorship opportunities to get your name and brand in front of companies statewide at a sponsor level. But if you want to show your products and be involved at that level, you can do that all online.